Hello viewers, welcome to Eklavi Academy. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is the output of the following code in Python. This is our question 2. So here is the code. str equal to 30, 40, 90, 10. Count equals 0, sum equals 0 for I in 5421, s equal to str count, sum equal to float of s plus I, then print of sum, then count plus equal 1. So what is the output of the given code? Any guess? We will see the working flow of this code. So this is the list 30, 40, 90, 10. The list name is str. Then two variables count and sum initialized to 0. Then for loop for I in 5421. So this is another list. I takes the value from this list. Then s equal to str of count. Then sum equal to float of s plus I. Then print of sum count plus equal 1. Okay. So in for loop, initially the I value is 5. Then the next statement is s equal to str of count. So str of count means what is the value of count initially? It is 0. So str of 0 means what is the first element in the list? It is 30. So the value 30 is assigned to the variable s now. Then sum equal float of s plus I. Here we are doing the typecasting. Okay, so this is 30. We are converting this one into floating point value. So which means it is 30.0 plus. Then what is the value of 5? Sorry, what is the value of 5? That is 5. So 30 plus 5, it is 35. 35.0. Then print of sum. So the sum value is printed. Then count plus equal 1. So which means already the value of count is 0. Now it is 1. Okay. Then the second iteration. The second iteration I value is 4. So s equal to str of. So count means now the value of count is 1. So str of 1 means this one indicates the second element of the list str. So that is 40. So sum equal to float of s plus I. So s value is 40. After conversion it is 40.0. Then value of I is 4. So which means 44.0. Then the value of count is incremented. So now it is 2. In the next iteration, the I value is 2. I is equal to 2. S equal to str of. So what is the value of count now? It is 2. So str of 2 means this one denotes the third element of the list str. So that is 90. So then sum equal to float of s plus I. So this one becomes 90.0 plus, then I value is 2, which means sum is 92.0. Then the value of sum is printed. Then count variable is incremented. Now the value of count is 3. Okay, then in the next iteration I value is 1. Then s equal to str of count means previously the value of count is 3. So str of 3 means this one denotes the fourth element of the list str, that is 10. So sum equal to float of s plus I. So float of s means after conversion 10 becomes 10.0 plus I value is 1, so 11.0. So the sum value is printed. So finally the output is 35.0, 44.0, then 92.0, then 11.0. So we will execute this program in the IDLE, then we'll see the output. Okay, so save the program and click the run module. Here see the output 35, 44, 92 and 11. Okay, I hope everyone understand this one. Thank you all.